Welcome to Scholanetz. Please like and subscribe to learn math with easy and step-by-step explanations.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Scholanetz. Today we are going to learn a very important math rule that helps us solve math problems the right way every time. Okay, so what is that rule? That rule is GEMDAS, it is order of operations. So let's go started. Sometimes math problems have many operations like adding, subtracting, multiplying, and more. So, how do we know which one we have to do first? So, that's where the GEMDAS comes in. Okay, and what is GEMDAS? GEMDAS is a rule that tells us the order of operation. It tells us in which order we have to solve the maths questions. Okay, and what the G stands for in GEMDAS? G stands for grouping. All the brackets will comes under grouping. E represents exponents. M represents multiplication. D represent division. A represent addition. S represents subtraction. This shows that we have to solve the math problem according to this order of operation. If the grouping is first, we have to solve the grouping first. Then we have to solve the exponents. Then comes the multiplication. Then the division. Then addition. And the last we have to solve the subtraction. Okay. We always solve math problem in these orders. To help us remember GEMDAS, let's use a fun sentence. What is that sentence? Good elephants make delicious apple sandwiches. Good elephants make delicious apple sandwiches. You can remember this sentence to remember the GEMDAS. G E M D A S. Good elephants make delicious sandwiches. And there is important rule in GEMDAS which we have to follow. What is that rule? The rule says multiplication and division are done left to right. Okay, it means if in a maths problem the GEMDAS says that first we have to do multiplication then division, but there is a rule that we have to solve multiplication and division left to right. If in a problem division comes in the left side and the multiplication comes in the right side, then we have to do the division first, then we can go in the multiplication. Okay, when we will solve the question, then I will explain it. And it says addition is the first rule, the second rule. Addition and subtraction are also done left to right. Okay, if the subtraction comes before the addition, the left side, then we have to do the subtraction first, then we have to go in the addition. So these rules are very important. When we are solving the order of operations using the GEMDAS, we have to always keep in mind that multiplication and division are always done left to right. If multiplication comes in the left side first, then we have to do the multiplication first. If division comes in the left side, then we have to do the division first. That rule also applies to the addition and subtraction because they are on the same level. Multiplication and division are on the same level, and addition and subtraction are also on the same level. So you don't forget this important rules, okay, the left to right rules. Now let's go solve the questions. Is the question number 1. 8 plus 2 times 5. So we have to recall our GEMDAS. GEMDAS. Here we have addition and multiplication. So according to the rule, what will come first? That is M. M is multiplication. It means we have to multiply first. It will be 8 will come like that. Addition. 2 times 5, it will be 10. Then is the addition. Then we have to add these two. So it will be 18. Okay. If we add first, then the answer would be wrong. So always follow the GEMDAS. So always follow the GEMDAS, that is order of operation. Take the another question. 6 plus 4 times 3. Here, see, this is the grouping. These two are in the brackets. G represent grouping. It means we have to solve the grouping first. Then we have to go to the another order of operation. It means 6 plus 4, it will be 10 times 3. Then we have to do the multiplication. It will be 30. This is our final answer. Okay. Let's solve another question. Say 12 divided by 3, then times 2. See here, according to the GEMDAS, what we have to do first? It says multiplication comes before division. Here, number 3. Here 12 divided with 3 multiply with 2. And then we have to recall our rules. What the rule says? Rule says we have multiplication and division are done left to right. It means if the division comes in the left side, then we have to do the division first. And if the multiplication comes in the left side, we have to do the multiplication first. Here, the division comes first. 12 divided with 3. So what we have to do? We have to do the division first, not the multiplication. Always remember this one. We have to do the division and multiplication left to right. So here comes the division in the left side. It means division will be done first. So 12 divided by 3, it will be 4. Then we have to do the multiplication. It will be 8. If we will do the multiplication first, like 12 divided by 3 times 2. If we will do the multiplication first, 6, then this will be wrong. This will not be our answer. We have to do according to the rule that the division is in the left side. It means the division will be done before the multiplication. Okay, so this will be the final answer. Understand? Let's take another question. Question number 4. It says 5 plus 8 minus 3 multiply with 2. So here what we have to do first? We have to do the grouping first. That is G. We have to do the grouping first. 5 8 minus 3, it will be 5. Then multiply with 2. Then what we have to do? Here is the addition, here is the multiplication. And according to the GEMDAS, we have to do the multiplication first, then the addition. So 5 plus 5 times 2, it will be 10. Now we have to do the addition. Then 5 plus 10, it will be 15. This will be our final answer. Okay. Now let's solve Another questions together. Here the question says 10 plus 4 multiply with 3. So what we have to do first? Here's the addition and here's the multiplication. What we have to do first? We have to do the multiplication first. 4 times 3 it will be 12. Now we have to do the addition. 10 plus 12 it will be 22. Understand? Take another one. 9 minus 5 multiply with 4. Here what will come first? The grouping will come first. So 9 minus 4 it will be, 9 minus 5 it will be 4. Then multiply with 4. It will be 16. I hope you are getting how we can do the, how we can solve the problem using the GEMDAS, that is order of operation. Take the last question, 18 divided with 3 plus 2. What we have to do first here? We have to do the division first. 18 divided by 3, it will be 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2, it will be 8. Okay. I hope you understand how we can solve the question if it has lots of operations. So we have to follow the GEMDAS. We have to follow the GEMDAS, and according to that, we have to take the operation. Grouping first, then exponent, then multiplication, then division, then addition, then subtraction. And we always have to remember the rules. What the rule says, that multiplication and division are done left to right. Similarly, this addition and subtraction are also done left to right. So don't forget the left to right rule. If you will forget and solve it without using the rule of left to right, then your answer will be wrong. Okay, you will say that you follow the GEMDAS and I did accordingly, but still my answer is wrong because you forget the rule of multiplication and division done left to right, and addition and subtraction also done left to right. So always remember, keep in mind. Okay, I hope you understand what is GEMDAS and how we can solve the problem with different operation, and how we can use the GEMDAS, that is the order of operation, to solving the maths problem. Okay, if you have any question or if any problem in understanding, please let me know. I will explain it again. See you in the next video with another maths topic. Till then, keep practicing. Bye.